In the quiet of dawn, a monastery bell echoes through the valleys, not just marking time, but awakening us to the present. A young monk strikes it gently, a reminder that every moment is an invitation to come home. Buddhism teaches that life is precious, fleeting, and interconnected. Ardently do today what must be done, said the Buddha, for tomorrow death may come. Yet we delay kindness, gratitude, forgiveness. Forgetting life, like the bell's sound, fades quickly. The truth of impermanence, anicca, reminds us nothing lasts forever, which is why everything matters. The monk rings the bell with full awareness. So too can we live with intention, letting our words and actions plant seeds of peace. True freedom isn't in changing the world, but transforming the mind, letting go of clinging and finding peace in what is. Like the bell, let your life awaken others. You don't have to be perfect, just present, honest, and kind. As Thich Nhat Hanh said, the bell is invited to sound, not hit. We too must invite ourselves to live deeply. Each breath, each sunrise, each fading echo is a miracle. Enough reason to live with gratitude, love, and awareness. Thank you for listening and for simply being here. If these words resonated with you, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments. I'd be grateful to hear your thoughts and what this stirred within you. If you feel called, please consider subscribing to the Dakini Sky so we may continue walking this path of insight and compassion together. With gratitude and quiet encouragement, may your light continue to shine, softly, steadily, through all seasons.